Okay, so this is the final stretch, which is now viewing the agent as a customer. I'm going to go ahead and go to yeah. I'm going to go back to setup. I'm going to go to sites. All sites. Coral Cloud website. And here I go. So previously I finished the exercise, but then I didn't record it. So let me just go and show you what happened from the beginning. Actually, it's probably better to talk through. So I essentially, you've seen typing in a prompt, but here's what happened. The AI agent showed up. I asked it about underground cave explorations. It asked me for my address and member number, which I provided that. But it said it couldn't find it, and it wanted me to double check. And I realized I left off a number there. So then it told me about my inquiry about the underground cave exploration, and it told me this following information and asked if I want to book it. So I wanted to ask for the dates that it was available. Actually, sorry, I said, yeah, I wanted to book it, and asked me, can you please provide a date? I said, okay, the 31st in this format as it asked for. It gave me this option, and I went ahead and booked it. And then I continued, which is off of the exercise. I said, okay, well, can you tell me more about the experiences? And it did. Then I just wanted the beach experiences, and it gave me 2. And then I asked, I told it I wanted to take a boot camp challenge and book that one on the same day. And it went ahead and did that for 2 people. And I wanted to ask what bookings I've made for that day. Gave me that information. And I asked it for dining options, and it wanted to escalate it because it didn't have any dining options. So I'm going to basically continue here so you can kind of see how this works. I'll just say, what are the available experiences for 2025, January 2nd? Hopefully it'll have some. All right, it wants my membership info, so let's give it that. So from up here. So it's validating I'm a customer. And looks like there's just underground cave exploration on that day. So I will say, would you like to book the experience? Yes, I would like to book this experience for 2 people. And I'm just kind of curious if it'll tell me how many slots are left on that day. let's say I have a friend, well, yeah, who might want to go. I wonder if it can answer that. It's kind of out related. Said there are 25 slots. So it didn't subtract it. So this is way beyond scope in terms of the QA, but I just booked 2 of those 25, so it should say 23, but that's okay. Anyway, let me just review, because I really want to stitch together this really last portion of the video, and just make sure that this is all useful. Okay, so as a quick recap, configuration is what we started with in this particular trailhead trail, or actually this trailhead exercise. And configuration basically had to do with turning it on. So go to Setup, Einstein Setup, turn it on. Then you have to go back and go to Agents and go to Einstein Copilot for Salesforce Agent and turn it on. Then we then we had to actually publish the Experience Cloud site to make sure it was up and running. We needed to give the agent permissions, so we went to the Einstein Service Agent and gave it Service Agent permissions. Then we created the agent, which is essentially, number one, creating the new agent, and then setting up a topic. So we created this agent, and then we set up this one topic. This topic was experience management. From this one topic, we then set up the actions. We did 5 of them. So it was, let's see, what were they? Get the experience details. In fact, if I go this way, I can show you. Let's go to agent. Right, and then we went to this agent, CC Service Agent, and you can see that we set up one topic, which is experience management, and we set up these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, this one was already created by Salesforce. If I open up in Builder, this is what we were interacting with. Here it's more familiar. Builder is actually a really good environment. Doesn't matter. I think about it. It's just that things are kind of hidden. So here's the experience management part. These are the things that we entered. These are the instructions. We had set up 5 of them for a total of 6. And then here was the topics actions, which we also set up. Get experience details, get customer details, get sessions, generate a personalized schedule, and then create the experience session booking. Yeah. So created the agent, we tested the agent, we published the agent, we added the agent to the website, which was this. Actually, is it still running? I think I might have stopped it. Let me see here. I'm just clicking on all of these open tabs. Maybe it's this one. Yeah. So yeah, we interacted with the agent. Oh, here. Well, yeah, I think I might have closed it. Oh no, here it is. Okay, so this is the one. So if I can say how many, let's try this. How many different experiences do you offer? You might ask me well, it's taken some time to think. Huh. Okay. How many beach experiences are there? Okay. So what this is showing me is that there's some constraints to what it can actually talk about. If I can say, can you please list the available experiences for me? It should be able to list them. What's my email address? Let me just give it this. So this is kind of security. Email address. I want adventure experiences. Huh. Okay, I'm I'm going to stop that rather than go down a rabbit hole. Let's just go back to what we were going over, wrap up this video. So I published the agent, it's up and running, and added it, and then we're interacting. So yeah, so that's what we did. Continue working here. And this is a very good start. Also, what I didn't show is that when I did go and test my assessment, I had it correct. And I think that's one of the challenging things about Trailhead is that you really don't have a lot of interaction with anyone, except for the end when you click on did I pass, and it'll either give you the points or it'll say you don't get the points and it won't tell you where you went wrong. So one of my goals here is to be able to help other people like myself kind of find their way. So I look forward to creating more videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.